one again today. So, and I should put it. And yeah, we will stay here for now, doing what we do. Changes may be made soon. Some changes may be made to how we're gonna do this, how we're gonna start it and stuff. So we're gonna make some big changes in the future, but it's not gonna be this week or anytime next week. It's gonna be either in, I would say, 2-3 months maybe, when them changes are all gonna come apply to the update. But I am working on stuff to get better. Graphics are good, but better graphics if possible. More Intel deets, more of the entertainment stuff while I'm doing this. Not necessarily saying that like entertainment and like playing a game or something. No, I'm just talking about getting more. I don't know how to explain it yet, but I will. It's nothing entertainment. It's kind of on the category of, I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna put it. Yeah, but there is big changes coming in the future. It's not applied right now, but it will be applied in the future. So, but I am still working on it. So, anyway, what's happening with the weather? Well, we got some rain in Little Rock. This is gonna be. You're gonna see rain all around, like anywhere between. You're gonna see rainfall anywhere if you're definitely in the Arklatex. Parts of Oklahoma would definitely be seeing some rainfall. Arkansas will be seeing some rainfall as well. Louisiana will. Part of Mississippi probably will be seeing rainfall after midnight. And as it keeps going off to the east and in the northeast, you gotta, that's gonna be, that slight risk is gonna be expanding. Like, so right now, I can go ahead and show you the slight risk. This is a slight risk. Let's just go over some names. This is for Louisiana. We got, let's see. I'm not gonna go over all the names. I'm just gonna go over the names that I see, that I come to. It may be all, it may be not. I don't know. But this is for actually, you know what? No, let's do marginal risk. Okay, first. I'm just going to go marginal risk, and this is specifically for Louisiana at this moment. If you see your hometown or anything, Anyway, Bastrop is in marginal risk. Rayville, Monroe, Bernice, Ruston. I'm just going to keep going down south. As far as this, Alexandria, Georgetown, and that's when we expand off to the east right there. So, Columbia, Monroe, Ruston, and that's when we expand off to. Okay, now I'm going to go to the slight risk right now. So this is for just Louisiana. Now so this is just for Louisiana. And I'm going to go over the other like Arkansas and Texas. I'm gonna go skim through there, let y'all see if y'all live in them areas. Anyway, Haynesville, Homer, Acadia, Friendship. I'm starting to get better at saying these cities' names now. So yeah, Calvin. I mostly know all these cities' names because I specifically live in Louisiana. So. Anyway, and most of y'all know that, so, Montgomery, Natchitoches, Creston, I don't know how you say that, but luckily, Jamestown, Ringgold, Minden, Shreveport, Benton, Ivan, Rocky Mountain, Cotton Valley, Shreveport, Plaindale, and Spring Hill, Shongaloo, too. If I did not say that already. So, and then as for most of Texas is in there, but we do have some cities out in the marginal risk area, and parts of Mississippi is also inside that marginal risk. I mean, inside that thunderstorm. But as we said, This weather outlook is going to be expanding off to the east with that slight risk. I'm talking about from the start and the front. It's just going to be expanding off to the more east as this storm gets. So after this storm gets done with Dallas and it goes into Tyler, the slight risk is going to be about right here. Right here. And probably the slight risk is going to be all the way out. And I can probably say right here at most. I'm thinking. I don't know though. And then probably Shreveport and Shreveport will be probably in the midst of getting the end of that slight risk and going into marginal risk and then into general thunderstorm. Now, I don't know if they're going to actually put it on a general thunderstorm for Dallas or they're going to put it in a marginal risk. I believe they may put it in a marginal risk here because that's how every other storm does. Whenever every other storm you have, if you're in a slight risk, they put you down to a marginal, then in a general. If you're in a enhanced, they put you down to a slight, then they put you down to a marginal, and then they put you down to a general thunderstorm. It just goes by it just goes by outlook after outlook, like you know what I'm saying. That's how that goes. But anyway, what else do I need to show you? So, here's the 3-day outlook. Now, this is what predicts. There's a warm front up here. That's gonna be, and there's a low front down here. So, and that's what we're gonna be getting. That's what's coming to Louisiana. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So that one's gonna be coming down that's the forecast that we got today. That's why we're inside a slight risk because of that low. And it's just right over Oklahoma. That's what is creating the line of showers and storms. No, it's not necessarily storms, but storms that will be something later today. See? That's why these showers and storms are here, because that low is just right up here, just on the Arkansas, Oklahoma line. I mean, yeah, it's Oklahoma line. It's Oklahoma line, but I meant to say, I think I put it all the way up here near Kansas, if I'm not mistaken. So, yeah, but right up here, on the Oklahoma line. That's why storms are behind it and not in front of it, because that's why you see rainfall in this area, because that low is up here. So that's why you see rainfall on the back of that low. And that's going to be continuing coming down to parts of Arkansas and Louisiana and parts of Texas as well. That's why that slight risk is here for today, if you have not seen. So, which I just showed y'all, so y'all did see, if y'all in this following the video. Anyway, so, you see now the low's going, wait, hold up, oh god. That low is gonna start now, is that the same low? That's 10-14, but anyway, probably the low. Could imagine it did get off of it. If it was here, it would be probably like right in the Arkansas Louisiana line. As you see, 2 a.m. them storms will start, and there it goes. But I would say the farther the slight risk will go was probably being Alabama. Yeah, that's probably how far it would go. I don't believe it's gonna go all the way out to Georgia in any means. And then the cloud coverage clears out, and then by Thursday, we may have a decent day. We may have a decent school week this week. Other than today, this week may be decent. I'm not saying that it will, but it may be decent. We gotta go into that 10-day now. I think this may be a decent school work week. You see them storms right there. Now here's the main concern. Here's why I'm very concerned at. You see this storm, right? That some of that has rainfall and probably some speed-ups maybe. Probably a supercell in there somewhere. This does not show supercells, but I'm pretty sure there would be a supercell in that can form up and maybe cause a tornado of some sort. That's why I'm where I'm concerned at, right in that area. And that's between that includes Bastrop, I think Monroe. No, it wouldn't include Monroe. Probably Jackson, Mississippi too, maybe. So yeah, and probably Alexandria as well. It wouldn't go as far as Lafayette, but that's one area that we need to be watching out for. So, but anyway, let's continue. After this, we may have a good. As I said so. Okay, here's another thing. Friday, you're gonna have this batch another Friday where it rains. Now, don't forget, April's just on the horizon. So I mean, and there's another area that I will be concerned about right there. If you see one of them strong storms like that, you are not in good shape. And next Monday, another batch of rainfall comes. And look at that. God. That is just, I don't know if this is true or not, but if that's true right there, there could be numerous tornadoes around that area. I mean, I know it's just rainfall, but I mean, that's not a good sign. Like, that's heavy rain. Like, that could probably make an inch in about a good hour and a half. Correct me if I'm wrong, but maybe even less than that. I don't know. But yeah, but that's gonna be it. So necessarily today, Tuesday, and Friday is the days that you're worried about. Wednesday and Thursday, you don't have to worry about them days. 5%, 15% chance. Friday is a 20%, but a slight chance of rain and showers, which I do believe that there will be I do believe that we have an outbreak on Friday. I do believe. But Monday and Tuesday of next week, another batch of storms come. So, we got stormy. It's gonna be a stormy day. And it's not supposed to get as hot. But Thursday you could be using some water on that day because 76 degrees. You could definitely be using some fan or something if you're outside. I would. I hate the heat. I do. I'm not even gonna lie. I hate the heat, and I hate summer but at the same time I also hate winter because it's too cold. But also at the same time, I hate summer because it's too hot. I just like fall. I'm just gonna be honest. Fall is when fall is whenever it drops into the 50s and it stays in the 50s. If it's in the 50s, it feels good. 50s is fall. I love fall, and I definitely love spring because you can do more of the planting stuff or the garden stuff. But I think I love fall better than I do spring because that's when it starts to heat up and then dawn starts to fall down. So and also you gain an hour of sleep in fall. So fall is definitely my favorite season. If y'all want to put down y'all's favorite season in the comments, y'all can go and do that. But anyway, that's gonna be the update.